Welcome back, guys, to the channel. We are going to be doing our Sunday series where we'll be analyzing the next possible moves throughout the next week across entire currencies. So we'll be doing USD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, all the JPY pairs, and then we'll do another video on the USD pairs, mostly the major pairs: AUD, New Zealand, GBP, Euro, Swiss francs, and we'll do a video about gold also, gold USD. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the analysis about all the AUD pairs, JPY pairs, JPY against other currencies. Let's go. So let's start right away with Euro JPY. Okay, as you can see, we are going to be starting from the 1 day time frame. As you can see on the 1 day time frame, Euro JPY crossed a major resistance, retested, and started moving in the upward side. And also this resistance that was created here was broken, and bullish momentum is right now being seen. So if we jump into the 1 hour time frame, first delete this and jump into the 4 hour time frame to see exactly how this move looks like. It's very clear here in the 1 hour time frame. That break of structure is very visible, and also here is very clear that that resistance was retested right here, and we are seeing a move to the upside. If we look into the 1 hour now, here it's very clear how the structure is. We have a high low here and a high, and if you see properly, this structure, this resistance zone hasn't been broken. Now here we might expect a pullback because it's still resisting to break this structure. This was the close on Friday, so if we see here a pullback, if we see a pullback here early Monday, we might experience a pullback right there. But let's see this. If you see a move to this resistance zone becoming support, or if we see it a break in the structure to the upside, we'll wait for that retest to continue with the bullish momentum. Or if we see a break of structure to the downside right here, we might start expecting a change in direction, which will be good for us to capitalize on such an order right there. If we see a change, a break of structure to the downside, we'll be expecting a move to the downside. So far right now, Euro JPY is still in the bullish momentum, is still on the buy side. So let's check on GBP JPY. GBP JPY, same thing as GBP JPY. If you look properly, GBP JPY has been on an upward trend since the beginning of the month. It has been an upward trend. It goes way back to February, March, April. It has been bullish all the way till now. But where are we currently? Right now on the market structure, we are seeing a resistance that is trying to be broken right here around 182, and if we get a retest on Monday or Tuesday in the beginning of the week, we might see a continuation. So overall, Euro and GBP, we are still seeing a continuation on the upside. So we are just waiting for a retest on this level to see if we can get an entry. But if this zone is broken, then we're hoping for a move to the downside. But so far as it is right now, we are expecting a continuation on GBP JPY as Euro2. So if we try to look at New Zealand and AUD to see how they are looking on the JPY chart, let's see. Okay, now this is New Zealand and AUD. This is AUD JPY, and if you look properly, everything has been moving to the upside, but AUD JPY has just broken the trend to the downside, and we are hoping for example, it broke the trend from here, and if you see properly, this has been retested, and now we are hoping for a break of structure to the downside around there. If we see any break to the break of support here, we'll be hoping for a move to the downside. We are analyzing all these currencies in the 1 hour time frame, so we can get even good entries in the 15-minute time frame to get a clear entry or a clear picture of how the structure looks like. But normally in the 1 hour time frame, you'll get a good confirmation of the order, and any order you want to place, it has to have a clear retest. Now something like this on AUD JPY, when the structure was broken, there was some parallel channel that was trying to form on the upside, but it retested and resisted around 96.8. Now it was broken, and we are hoping to break this support to go for our sale, guys. So let's see also New Zealand JPY, New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY, and on New Zealand JPY we are seeing the same thing also here. It has been an upward trend, as you can see, and now this trend, as you can see right there, and the trend was broken. So at this point we have a resistance right here, which is still holding up to here, and now we are waiting for a break to the downside. This confirmation on Monday or Tuesday, we might get a confirmation on New Zealand JPY to confirm our short. So let's see how Monday the market structure is going to be, because if you look into all these mini trends inside here, they are showing no move to the upside, and the resistance is still holding. So right here on Monday, New Zealand JPY might confirm a good order there. We might see a short on Monday, I think, for New Zealand JPY, something like that, and this will be a good, I think, 1 to 2 risk ratio, or 1 to 1.5, something like that. But let's see how many pips we have there. Yeah, some good 20, 40, 50 pips. We might get a good quick scalp here for 50 pips, or I target here for around, let's see 100 pips right there. But let's see on Monday which confirmation, which side is confirmed, a break to the upside or a confirmation on the downside. Please don't place any orders until there is a clear confirmation on which side the price is moving to. Okay, and lastly, let's see on Swiss francs JPY. Boom. Okay, now if we see properly here, it's very clear that Swiss francs JPY is still in a bullish momentum. Let's try to put our parallel channel here, right here. Now if you look at this move, properly, you can see that Swiss francs JPY has been creating a structure on the upside. All the resistance are broken until right now where the market is. We are looking at a resistance that was retested and now is moving to the upside. And if you see in the following week, we have some levels here. We can look at these 3 levels because the upward trend is still very far from being broken, so we are still experiencing an bullish momentum on Swiss francs JPY. But as we can see, if this retest right here is confirmed, we can expect a buy signal right there. If this retest is confirmed, we can expect a buy signal if we see a move to the upside. And if it's broken, we have to wait until this level to see if we can get some quick scalps on the short side. So for all our JPY pairs, that was the analysis on all of them. Let's wait on Monday to see which confirmations come in and we see how the week goes. If we get any orders, we'll be posting them into our channel. Feel free to join. Okay, thank you guys for watching.